This is a cloudy forest, and I am Giuliana Vaca. I am volunteer in Foundation Chiriboga since I am 18 years old because it's the property of my grandparents. But as a family, we decided to take care of this part of cloudy forest to preserve animals, to preserve plants, and most important, the water. Nowadays, we try to make reforestation activities with volunteers from all over the world, and also to protect these areas with species, endemic species from this place, like bamboo, lemon. During the year, we have to work them here, and we work with the volunteers in reforestation and now in construction for an area for volunteers and to make to aware people and to create consciousness to young people like teenagers about what the cloudy forest is and how is it important for taking care of the resources like soil or water. Here, as you can see, almost all the time it's like this. You have a lot of clouds that comes down like at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and the trees, the plants that are here capture this water in their leaves, and so the water is taken, and after the cycle the water goes to the floor and it increases the amount of water inside the soil. Then this water under the soil collaborates with the rivers because the water is going there to increase the quantity of water in the rivers. If we don't have this kind of forest anymore, we are going to suffer from scarcity of water, mostly in these regions where a lot of people is located next to the rivers or in the coast region, because this water goes to the coast region and people from there take water from this place. If we don't live in the towns downstream, we are not aware of this problem. But if we live in the cities, we are not aware of this problem. But for them, it's a very big problem, and for them it's a very bad situation because they don't have that resource that we need all the time for cooking, for washing, for living. The lack of education in rural areas in Ecuador provokes a very big problem with introduced species. These species like eucalyptus, these kind of trees grow very fast, so they are available for people to have wood very quickly. Like in 15 years, there's already wood ready to sell. Instead, trees from this region need like 50 or 70 years to grow and be ready to take wood from them. But these species create a very difficult cycle in the ecosystem. This alters the ecosystem. How? Because they create a very big part of the soil that doesn't have a lot of little plants, so the erosion increases. Also, it takes a lot of water from the soil because it's not part of this ecosystem. It takes a lot of water from the soil, and it doesn't let the water come to the river and follow the cycle. And also, it takes water that belongs to other species just for them. So that's it. I think that the trees, to preserve trees in the forest is very important because it makes water fall and it makes rain, and if there is rain, there is water for the rivers, and if there is water for the rivers, there is water for humans too.